So high protein idli from Sujan Fun Kitchen. So this is trending. So this is absolutely the right thing for Weight Watchers. Protein idli tastes yum too, and it suits kids, elders and everybody. It's a party dish too. You can pack these idlis into your kids' lunch boxes too. High protein idli constitutes of dals, as I told you. So this is 1 cup of Mung Dal, 1 cup of Urad Dal, with an option of handful of rice just to bind the idlis. So wash these dals and rice thoroughly in water, in running water, and the soaking time is just 2 hours. And after that, after 2 hours, what we do is take a blender and grind it to a paste, to a fine paste, not to a coarse paste. You can grind it to a fine paste. Actually, my clipping is not there of the blender, so grind it to a smooth paste. Allow the batter to ferment for 4-5 hours or overnight. Heat til oil, 2 teaspoons of til oil in a pan, and splatter mustard seeds into it, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, and then turmeric powder, not too much, just half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Lower the flame right away so that it doesn't burn, and then add finely chopped green chillies and ginger. That's for the flavoring. Asafoetida I have not added, it's optional. So keep the flame at low and toss everything. And then comes pepper powder, and now comes freshly grated coconut, half a cup. Yes, and now switch off flame and lightly toss everything together. It's time to bring in the fermented idli batter, and then add this tempering to the coconut tempering to the batter, idli batter, and add 3 tablespoons of til oil, which is a must. So bring everything together. Mix thoroughly well so that the tempering and the oil blends together with the batter. Yes, and the oil is very important, don't skip it. It gives fluffiness to the idli. So now add coriander leaves, which also gives a lot of flavor. And now comes the most important thing, 1 sachet of fruit salt or Eno. I'm using Eno, a sachet of Eno. Add it, and then after that add a bit of water over the Eno or fruit salt, and be gentle now after adding the Eno. And then meanwhile heat your steamer, and now grease the, I'm using tumblers. Grease the tumblers or idli molds. You can use cups or idli plates too. Grease it well with til oil. Til oil is the best for idlis. And then I'm adding cashew nuts, which is optional. You can skip the cashew nuts if weight watching. Yeah. And then just fill half of the tumblers, because it will rise, the whole thing will rise up to the brim. So fill half or till 3/4, and then tap it gently to avoid bubbles. And then meanwhile your idli steamer would be heating. It needs to be made ready. And then see, I'm using a rice cooker for the steaming of idlis. Just close it, and 12 to 15 minutes is the time. And now let's check it. Yeah, see, my knife has come out clean. It's lovely. Wow, I'm excited looking at the video itself. Wow. I made capsicum tomato chutney. You could use sambar or coconut chutney, any chutney of your choice. So absolutely scrumptious. Just look at the fluffiness of the idlis. Yeah, can you see? It's almost like a bread. So this is our high protein idli from Sujan Fun Kitchen. This is a Meenama recipe. But if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. And as always, have fun cooking. And thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.